Hey guys, welcome to a new video. If you are new on our channel, my name is Renee and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. Today's video is just going to be a vlog about our day. It is Saturday. I don't have to work because it is snowing like crazy and it is so beautiful. So today's vlog is going to be like our snow day vlog. But let me show you guys how it's looking. So much snow. We did not get this much snow last year at all, like not even close to this. We maybe got like 2 inches last year, and now we have like 5, 6 inches within 2 days. About like 2.5 days of snow, which is crazy. We've kind of been calculating how much snow we're getting by looking at how much is on that table. It's been piling up since the first day it started snowing. And yeah, let me flip the camera around to show you guys some more. No, keep running, go. Apollo is running around in it. He's going in circles in the backyard. Keep going, Apollo. What are you doing? Eating the snow? You're eating it? Luna, you're not liking it as much. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is still snowing. Snow is still falling. Oh yeah, you can see it a little bit. These trees are beautiful right now. Oh my goodness. He's loving it. Be nice, Noah. Oh. It hung up. I think he lost connection. Are you okay? Can you walk? Careful. Can't even see the steps.
Just like he's loving. Have a paw it. I need to get a harness for Apollo to.
How awesome would that be?
Wait, I'm just putting my phone down.
He's coming back. Whoa. Oh, I really did not think Starbucks was going to be open.
I did.
But they were open. I know. I said I didn't think so. The only cars that are out right now are like big trucks and SUVs.
Well, this guy made
Except
it.
this guy.
This is what we need a truck here.
You need a truck? Maybe we have a Jeep. It's fine. Are they open? This guy just went straight through.
Please hold forward if you need assistance over here.
They're not open? No.
All the lights are on. What the
They
fuck?
probably just went home or something. See?
Well, there's people in here.
I told you, though. They're not going to be open.
Or they just got stuck here.
He's mad because he saw the Starbucks. Is it yummy? Your first cake pop? Careful. You got it? You want the bag? Mmm. All right, Noah. What'd you pick out? Some dog bones, cheese balls, apple juice. Hold the bag. You can hold it. Oh, careful. You're dropping it.
You ready, Noah? You ready?
Where are the horsies? Where are they
Shit, it's
at?
It's in the snow. It's getting in Noah's.
Horsies.
Look, 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 look. Look. Horsey.
Not cute. I want them so bad. You see it? Oh, it's running.
I miss mine. Look at his tail. Oh, there's a car.
Say bye, horsies. Say bye.
Wait, this guy has a Mustang right there. By the bus.
He does have a Mustang. Oh, we need to go to the zoo. Once the snow.
The drive one's no.
The drive zoo?
The drive-through zoo?
Oh, not a zoo. It's like a
Called the zoo.
big animal. I guess I don't know. Whatever. What are you doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here, hold my hand. Okay, or not. Jeez, you're quick. You're quick. Leave that. Put it down. What are you doing? You gonna go somewhere? Throwing at him.
Got you.
He's like, what the heck? Get him, Noah. Get him. Get him, Noah. No. Throw it at him. Run. He's putting it in the little light he broke. Ow. Huh? I'm trying to hit the camera? That was way off.